Welcome. If you're having trouble using your microphone in the Google Chrome app on your phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to allow microphone access for Chrome, so you can join calls, record audio, or use voice features without any hassle. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all the permissions for your apps, including Chrome. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps, or it might be called App Management, depending on your device. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, look for Google Chrome in the list. You can usually find it quickly by scrolling or using the search bar at the top. Once you spot Chrome, tap on it to open its settings. Inside Chrome's app settings, you'll see an option called Permissions. Go ahead and tap on Permissions. This is where you decide what Chrome can access, like your camera, location, and of course, your microphone. Find Microphone in the list of permissions. Tap on it, and then select Allow. By doing this, you're giving Chrome permission to use your microphone whenever it's needed, whether you're on a video call, recording a voice message, or using voice search. And that's it. You've successfully enabled microphone access for Google Chrome on your phone. From now on, whenever a website or web app needs to use your microphone, Chrome will be able to ask for your permission, and you can choose to allow it right away. If you ever change your mind or want to review which apps have access to your microphone, just follow these same steps. Keeping your permissions updated is a great way to stay in control of your privacy while enjoying all the features your apps have to offer. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a quick fix for their microphone issues in Chrome. See you next time.